Good morning, everyone. Okay, now these two girls are best friends. Okay, please stand up. And she had some plan to go somewhere or visit somewhere. Okay, and she called to her friend that yes, today I am not going to come to school. And this Tapashwini replied that if you are not coming to class today, if you are not going to attend class today, then I am also not going to attend the class. Okay, because these two students are the best friends. Okay, so what happened in between them? Now a deal happened between them, an agreement happened between them, isn't it? Okay, that if she will not come, then she will also not attend the class because they were best friends. Understood? Yes. Sit down. The same thing happens when it comes to English grammar, especially when it comes to subject and verb. Okay, subject and verb are best friends, just like them. Okay, so they plan that if this subject will be there, then if X subject will be there and X verb will come along with that. If Y kind of subject or noun will be there, then Y kind of verb will come. Are you getting my point? The way they did a deal between them. Similarly, a deal, an agreement is done between subject and verb. Done? So, today the name of the chapter is, can you guess? Subject, verb, agreement. In other words, we call it subject verb concord. Okay, subject verb concord. So basically we are going to see that if certain kind of subject will come, then what will be the verb. Okay, done? Leave it. And basically this thing is going to help you during your conversation. Okay, while you people do converse with anyone, okay, this kind of thing will come. These are the minor things, basic things of grammar, and you should know about it. Done? So there are certain rules in subject verb agreement. Okay, there are certain rules in subject verb agreement, and we are going to study those rules today. Done? So the rule number 1 says, rule number 1. What it says? Now, if the subject will be plural, if the subject will be plural, okay, if the subject will be plural, then the verb that it will carry, will also be a plural verb. Done? The first rule says that if in a sentence the subject is in plural form, then the verb will also be there with its plural form, right? So let's take an example. Okay, simple sentence. Okay, a very simple example I am giving to you. They are playing. Understood? Okay, they are playing. If instead of are, if I'll write they is playing, is it correct?
No, sir.
Is it correct?
No, sir.
Why? Because my subject, who are playing? They. It means it is a group. Okay, they are playing something. So who is the doer over here? The group. It means the they is the subject over here. Okay. Okay. This is my subject, and this is in what? In plural form. This is in plural form. More than one person is there. Then only I said they. Okay. So, but this verb, this is your verb, right? And this is in which form? This is in singular form. Is it satisfy this rule? Is it satisfying this rule? No. So, the verb that I have used over here, okay, that is not suitable, that is not appropriate with the subject. Done? So, what shall I use with that? Are. And it will be my plural. Done? Any doubts? Say, so first rule says that if in a sentence the subject is in plural, then the verb will also be in plural. Done? Shall I move to the second rule? May I have your duster? Duster. Rule number 2. So, same kind of rule is there, same kind of. Okay, so the rule number 2 says that if the subject is in singular, if a singular subject will be there, then what will be the verb? Singular. Done? The verb will be also singular. If the subject will be in singular, if the subject will be a singular one, then the verb will be also a singular. See, will come with a singular form, I mean to say. For example, say any kind of example from your side. The boy? Very good. The boy is playing cricket. Okay, the boy is playing cricket. See, here the boy, I am talking about a single boy. Okay, I am talking about a single boy, or am I talking about a group of boys? No, I am talking about a single boy. So, the subject is singular. Isn't it? Isn't it? This is my verb. Okay, this is in which form? This is also in singular form. This is also in singular form. Now tell me, does this thing satisfy this rule? Satisfies? So, can I say this statement is completely correct? Can I say the statement is completely correct? Yes. Okay, because there is a singular subject, and along with that we have used a singular form of verb. Then the next rule. Shall I raise it? Rule number 3. Okay, rule number 3 says that when one singular subject, okay, when a subject and a verb, when a singular subject and a singular form of verb will be separated,